Most humans are in defense mode. You wake up, you react, you protect your energy, you avoid discomfort. Defense is not bad. Defense keeps you alive. But if you stay in defense too long, you stop growing. Because defense is about maintaining. There comes a moment where you must switch from defense to offense. Not offensive, offense. To act, to initiate, to move without waiting for permission. Offense is when you say, I will grow my own food. I will change my routine. I will try something new. This is where life begins to move. But language confuses us. In English, offensive equals to insult. Offense, to attack, to act. In Setswana, when someone speaks harsh truth, we say,
Rogana.
So now, truth, action, and insult start to mix. And people begin to believe if it feels uncomfortable, it must be wrong. That is where the problem starts. Let's be honest. Not all truth is the same. Sometimes
Rogana.
is real. When? When truth is used at the wrong time, without care, to embarrass someone. If someone is already struggling and you say, I told you so, that is not wisdom. That is
Rogana.
But if truth is used to guide, to build, to move forward, that is not Rogana. That is alignment. Now here is the uncomfortable part. Sometimes people call truth
Rogana.
because they're not ready. Truth exposes, and exposure feels like an attack to someone who is protecting their reality. So they say, you are offensive, but what they mean is, you are disrupting me. The real work is not disrupting others. It is disrupting yourself, your habits, your patterns, your comfort. This is offense at a deeper level, not fighting people, but challenging your own life, choosing discomfort on purpose, because growth does not live in comfort. But listen carefully. Truth without discipline is noise. You must ask, is this the right time? Is this the right way? Is this helping or just exposing? Because not all truth creates change. Some truth only creates resistance. And if your truth creates no movement, it is not wisdom. At some point, you must stop defending your life and start creating it. You must move from defense to offense, to self-disruption, but with discipline, with awareness, with purpose, because nothing changes without disruption. And not all disruption is wisdom. If this message speaks to you, start small. Do one thing today that moves you from defense into offense. We grow when we allow ourselves to grow.